Down here in the metro, we are dealing with close to, in the 60s. It's going to be very, very comfortable today, a lot like yesterday.
It is just incredible for early February. Soak it up. You know it's not going to last forever, but at least this week we're going to get 4 or 5 days of it. 30s and 40s across many areas this morning. We do have a few places in the 20s, and of course in the high country a teen there in Gunnison. But I mean, Gunnison, that is balmy for you. You're usually below zero this time of the year, this time of the day. Wind speeds are relatively light. In the urban corridor, you get about 8,000, 9,000 feet up, and we have 15 to 30 mile per hour winds, occasionally gusting higher than that. And if all goes as expected today, we should see the wind pick up and become more widespread. So the Weather Service has put a high wind warning out for the northern Front Range mountains and higher foothills, but some of the lower elevations are included. Eastern Boulder County, right down through eastern Jeffco. So that would be Golden, Lakewood, Arvada, on up into the Longmont area. We may see west winds 30 to 45, gusting 75 to 90 later today and tonight. A lot of moisture is streaming into the western U.S. We have a very active jet stream overhead. That jet stream is creating a few snow showers still this morning here in the northern mountains, but it's primarily confined to the higher peaks, and it really shouldn't last a whole lot longer. By the time we get into the early to mid-afternoon, most of the snow should come to an end, and it should be a pretty dry day across the state. Just intervals of clouds passing through both today, tonight, and during the day tomorrow. The story is about the wind and the warmth. We do have an avalanche concern. We had a lot of snow pile up in these northwestern mountains around Steamboat Springs, and with the wind that we had with the snow, there is an avalanche threat today in the backcountry. All the cold air is locked up to the north. Very strong jet stream in the vicinity. It basically stays there all week, so we're going to have a pretty similar weather pattern until later in the week, when this low pressure dropping down the west coast may come our way and change things up. Very gusty today, especially west of I-25, 64 for a high with a mix of sun and clouds. Widespread 60s east, even getting close to or in the lower 70s on the eastern border. High country, widespread 40s. We'll see some 50s to near 60 in valley locations like Salida and Western Slope, 50s and 60s. In Denver, tomorrow's record is 70. As long as the cloud cover doesn't get too thick, there's a chance we make a run for it. 60s through Wednesday, a little cooler Thursday, a late mix possible Friday into Saturday with our next cool down.